Okay, so we've had a very interesting scenario play out in the last about 36 hours, depending upon when you're watching this video, related to Terra Luna Classic and Terra Luna. We're going to talk about that. I'm going to break that down in this video. And we're going to talk about was this market manipulation. We're going to talk about that. And before we get into that, I want to thank you for taking a few minutes to watch this video. My name is Austin, and you're here on the ClearCryptos channel. If you're interested in what Clear is and what's going to be happening, this is a groundbreaking project. Check out links in the description below. Highly recommend you get involved in their Discord and their other socials. You'll learn more there, I promise. Okay, so Terra Luna, the new one, Luna, and remember Terra Luna Classic, LUNC, LUNC. These are the two variables. Terra Luna Classic has basically been taken over by the community, now is being run by the community. The community has voted on and approved staking, a new burn initiative, all this, and it has had an unprecedented run up because of a community-driven initiative. Okay, really the birth now of a community token. That's Terra Luna Classic, and and that has been running for about the last since about the 26th of last month. Okay, and I've covered that on my channel. There's been a lot of coverage around that, but an interesting thing played out in the last 30 hours or so. Terra Luna, which is the new Terra Luna, if you will. Luna, not LUNC. I know you got to go back and forth. Terra Luna was running at $2, wasn't doing anything. The chart was dead, and then spiked 250+%, north of $6, just like that. Just chart, bam, all the way up. Was this market manipulation? The truth of the matter is we don't know. Was it whales buying in and marketing and manipulating it? But you have a flat deadline, nothing, and nothing going on, and then all of a sudden it just goes like this, straight up. Possibly. I am thinking yes, in some form or fashion. Am I calling this a bad thing? No, I'm not saying it's bad or good. I'm just simply saying that I think that that's possible. And then I think you had also a factor after Terra Luna spiked. It was from $2 and went straight up. You had some FOMO factor, fear of missing out, people. And I think so. Then you started seeing people that were in Terra Luna Classic, because Terra Luna Classic was down in this same period where Terra Luna was running 200+%. Terra Luna Classic was down 20+%. So I think you had a lot of people, mostly probably retail investors, taking their money out of Terra Luna Classic and putting it into Terra Luna. Okay. I want to know your thoughts. I mean, this is really just a commentary thing. I'm not passing judgment. I'm not saying it was this. I'm just simply stating that I think that there was something here. Right or wrong, I think that there was something here. And I want to know your thoughts. As always, thanks for your support of the ClearCryptos channel. If you're wanting to learn more, definitely check out the links in the description below, and we will see you later. Take care.